The Kodiak Classic and Kodiak Classic Junior lanterns are stylish and functional. Let's take a closer look. Both lanterns provide 360-degree warm white light, are available in red and green fixtures, and are battery powered. The larger Classic model is 6 3/4 inches tall by 4.5 inches in diameter, weighing in at just over 8 ounces. The Classic Junior is 4 3/4 inches tall with a 4-inch diameter, weighing just under 5 ounces. Operation is the same on both models with single button operation. The Classic features 2 brightness modes. High is 215 lumens with a 10-hour runtime, and low is 80 lumens with a 19-hour runtime. The Classic Junior is 100 lumens with a 24-hour runtime. Both models are battery powered, the Classic by 3 AA batteries and the Classic Junior by 3 AAA batteries. Changing the batteries is quick and easy on both models. On the Classic, unscrew the battery compartment cover at the base of the lantern counterclockwise and remove it. Remove the expired batteries and replace them following the diagram inside. Screw the battery compartment cover back on. On the Classic Junior, twist the battery compartment cover counterclockwise until you hear or feel a click. After replacing the batteries, line up the tabs on the battery compartment cover with the slots on the lantern and twist it clockwise until you feel resistance. Both lanterns feature convenient hanging hooks or carry handles, but may also be used freestanding. Beautiful warm white light makes these lanterns perfect for inside tents and campers or on your picnic or patio table.